Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium bread. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on those naturally high in potassium like mashed bananas, spinach powder, or even a small amount of potassium chloride salt substitute. Ensure your yeast is active for a good rise. This guide will walk you through each step to create a nutritious and flavorful loaf. To begin, combine your active dry yeast with warm water and a touch of honey in a large bowl, letting it bloom for about 5 minutes. Next, gradually mix in the whole wheat flour, salt, and your chosen potassium-rich ingredient, such as mashed banana or spinach powder. Stir until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a floured surface. Now, knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place it in a lightly oiled bowl cover and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until doubled in size. Punch down the dough, shape it into a loaf, and place it in a greased loaf pan. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Once your delicious potassium bread is baked to a golden brown, let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. This ensures a perfect texture. Enjoy it plain with a light spread or as a side to your meal. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to maintain freshness for up to 3 days. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help with your kitchen cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.